So I was recently asked to review these ORTUBE washing machine cleaner tablets, which I thought was kind of freaky because I was actually looking at these on Amazon, and then the company contacted me. In the kit is 24-month supply, and they even give you a little card if you want to hang it up on the machine, X out when you've used the tablet. I also recommend that you follow your washing machine manufacturer's instructions on cleaning the pump. You'd have to find your directions. My machine recommends that it is cleaned every 2 months. By the way, this is how it's actually made. Always go for the shake off. Then simply set your machine top loader or front loader to a cleaning cycle. If your machine does not have a cleaning cycle, then just use a normal cycle. Open up the tablet. And place it inside. And after the cycle, wipe down the inside for any residue that might be left. And now that you've done it for the first time, it'll probably be better as you work your way through the months.